Ah, hello and welcome. I'm the awful chef and I'm hungry, so I'd better make something for dinner. Yippee. Today we're making a mix it all together pasta. It's kind of the hardest easy pasta I know how to make. So, backstory is kind of fun. Years ago, I stopped off at a roadside Italian restaurant on the way home from a long day of work. And had some food that was so good, I brought some of it home to my wife, who was in bed when I got home. She ate some of the appetizer while sitting up in bed, turned around and blew me off the bed with her garlic breath. That was when I discovered roasted garlic and the joys therein. I will share some of that with you. So, what have I got? Well, a bunch of stuff on the cutting board that you cannot see, of course. There we go, that's a little better. Let's start with this. There we go, we're getting something. Oh yeah, you can see it now. That is a bunch of cloves of garlic, peeled, with olive oil, salt, wrapped in foil, oven roasted for about half an hour at 350. I took them out and mashed them up with some fresh olive oil, and that is going on our pasta. In the pan, I have some, can we do this? Can we do it? Oh, we're getting something. Melted butter, olive oil, and a load of red pepper flakes. We're making spicy garlic lemon pasta. Well, lemon wouldn't be any good without fresh lemon juice. I will not pour this. The juice of half a lemon. And now here's the magic. We've actually talked about this. It's kind of a French preparation of garlic done easily. Take a garlic masher, or a garlic press, pardon me. Mash up a few cloves of garlic. Little salt, little oil, mix that together. And magic ingredients tonight are Parmesan and a little bit of pasta water. Yeah, we're doing long pasta tonight, so half a pack. We're also doing an arugula salad with an unusual dressing tonight. It is oyster sauce, mayonnaise, and white wine vinegar, all of which comes out looking kind of gray. Yeah, but it should be okay. So, I got to boil the water, which of course I'm not going to do on YouTube time. Once the pasta is ready, I will throw it in the pan full of melted butter and sauteed red pepper flakes. Throw in the roasted garlic, the raw garlic, the lemon juice, the Parmesan, and the parsley. And that's dinner. Yeah, in a lot of parts of the world, dinner's just a plate of food. There's going to be enough Parmesan on this to make it count almost as a mac and cheese dish. Yeah, the pasta's going to absorb the hot oil, well, the lukewarm oil, and all the garlic flavors, and melt the Parmesan into a thoroughly flavorful coating. So yeah, that's it. Roast your garlic in a foil wrapper with olive oil and salt for about half an hour at 350. Mash up a couple of cloves of garlic with some olive oil and salt. Saute some red pepper flakes to make a good hot base, or a good spicy base. Lemon juice and parsley. And of course, lots of Parmesan. Mac and cheese with, well, let's call it spicy lemon mac and cheese with a lot of garlic. So that's it. Thank you. I'm the awful chef. This is social media, so we must be social. Please subscribe and like and all of that good stuff. Thank you.